to display EMP table within HTML table, right? So by using ASP.NET MVC, so we are going to use ASP.NET MVC. So the requirement is EMP table has to display within the ASP.NET MVC page. Okay, so same story again. We'll implement this in a step-by-step process. Step 1, right, creating ASP.NET MVC application. Creating ASP.NET MVC application. Step 2, right, coming to step 1, creating ASP.NET MVC application. New project. Come on, are you doing simultaneously? Hello. Right, ASP.MVC application. Right. Come on, you guys also do same simultaneously. That application name is MVC link display example. MVC link display example. Click OK button. OK button. And OK. OK. Right. Right. Create. Next, after this we have to go for, right, model code. Next we have to go for model code, or no, step 2 is you know very well. Step 2 is very well, adding database. Adding a database. Step 3 is what? Hello. Adding what tool? The 3 steps will be same. 3 steps will be same. Right. Coming to view, solution explorer. Right click. Add. Sorry. Step 2, adding database. View, server explorer. Come on, tell me the process. Hello. Select data connections. Right click. Add connection. Server name. Computer name. I think better to go to this PC. Right click, properties, computer name. Right. SQL Server authentication. User ID, SA, password. Right. Select database name, MyDB, test connection. Click OK button. So now your database is added to your application. Right. Have you done this, guys? Hello, are you doing simultaneously? Are you doing simultaneously? Right. Then after this, we have to add the OR tool. We have to add the OR tool. We have to add the OR tool. How to add the OR tool? Right click, add. Come on, add. Hello, guys, you have to tell the procedure. Right, Varun, come on, tell me the procedure. How to add the OR tool? Hello. If you are mute, I'll be also in mute. You people are not interacting the application. Sorry, in class. If you will not interact in the class will not have any liveliness. Okay, suppose you are at workplace, yeah, mute. You are at like traffic or disturbance, mute. Otherwise, listening in mute, no use of training. Come on, respond.
Yes, sir.
Right click,
Add
add, new item, left side, data,
data.
to
We
SQL,
link to SQL.
some name here. You can give any name. I have given link to SQL.dbml. Click which button? Add. Click which button? Add. Right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Link to SQL.dbml. Okay. Right. Your OR tool is added. After this, we have to implement what? Step 4. Implementing. Next, we have to, I'm sorry, drag and drop the table. Table. Drag and drop the table. Right. Open Server Explorer. Expand. Tables. Select EMP. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Right. Okay, now, right. After this, next watch. Hello? No, no, not. No. Yeah, like here, it's a MVC application. Not adding it's MVC application. You have to add what first? What is the next step?
Controller.
Come on. Adding controller. Sorry, adding model. And after adding model, you have to write the model code. Right? Yes. Right click. Add class. Come on. Employee model dot cs. Employee model dot cs. Right? Are you clear? Employee model dot cs. So here we have to create. We are defining one method. Okay. So making your task very simple. You see, within this class, you are defining one method. The method name is public. Okay, generally we will return it as a getEM data table, but here we are using a super class called iQueryable. Right. Return type as iQueryable and method name is getEMP. But we have to create object for your link class. Okay, what is the class name? Link to SQL data context. Link to SQL data context. Class name. Again, obj link equal to new link to SQL data context. Link to SQL data context. Right. Now where v1 emp new obj link dot emps select emp new and return. See, only two lines code. Return v1. Return v1. Make it small v and semicolon. And semicolon. Right. Hello. Here EMP new is what, guys? EMP new is a variable name. EMP new is a variable name. Okay, user defined variable. This is the query. Same story, guys. Same story. Okay, now next step. Next step is what? What is the next step? Step number 6. Step number 6. Adding controller. Adding controller. We have to write the controller code. Yeah, come on, guys. Tell me. Venkat, tell me. Hello.
Sir, right click on
Right click
project,
on. Right click
open
on
solution,
Solution Explorer. Controller.
controller,
Add
add
controller.
controller,
Add controller. MVC 5 controller empty. Add and controller name. Let us assume EMP controller. Click which button? Add.
add.
Click which button? Add. Okay, now, right. Okay, now we have to import it. Come on, tell me how to import using. Come on, using application link to display dot example dot models. Right? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Next, tell me. Then watch. We have to write the action. Controller code, right? We have to write the controller code. Again, just taking one method forward EMP, right? But we have to create the object for model class, right? Employee model obj equal to new employee model, and obj dot get emp obj dot get emp obj dot get emp, right? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next after this,
We
yeah,
have to call.
action method. What is that? Index. Okay, now, right? Are you clear? Yes. Now come back to our discussion. Here we are calling a method called what? Forward EMP. Here we are calling a method called forward EMP. Right. Over. That's it. Hello. Hello. Right.
And we have to create.
Come on. Tell me. Anything else? See, it's a normal display, nah. Nothing else. Just we have to add the view. Next step. Step number 7. Adding view.
We
Adding view. Yes. Adding view. Add view. Add view. Yeah. Right. Over. Right. Now nothing. There is no razor code. Just we have to write the design code. We have to write the design code. The design code is like the code whatever we have written in previous examples. Same code. right? Table, employee number, employee name, and here we are returning viewback.emp, right? Same viewback.emp. Okay, here viewback.emp. Here also viewback.emp and same v.empno column name, database column name, v.emp name, v.salary, v.salary, right? So first row is representing the column headers, second row is representing the data. And go back to root go back to root controller name is emp and action method name is index, compilation and execution, compilation and execution, right? Right, that's it.